are going to make English pancake. This pancake my mom used to make for us when I was small. Actually, it's not exactly English pancake because English pancake do not have sugar in it, but I will. Actually, it's not exactly English pancake, but it is very similar because English pancake do not have sugar. They use caster sugar. After the pancake is cooked, they just put it on top, but I will mix the sugar inside. The measurement I will write down. Add the details there. So besides just now, you can see that I'm using flour, and you will need to have eggs also. And also sugar, a little bit of oil, or alternatively you can use butter, but I'm using oil, and a little bit of salt and milk. Then we are going to mix the mixture now. This, well, just now I mentioned that this is English pancake, right? Because it's not like American pancake, which is fluffier, like the McDonald's pancake. The English pancake is more like crepes. It's flat. If you do not want to put in sugar, you can just leave the sugar out. Then after that, you can decide whether you want it to, because when we make the pancake, you can also pair with like fruit jam or other fruits or chocolate, or maybe you like to be sour, then you can pair with other like hot dog, sausages or mashed potato, bacon. In that case, you can leave the sugar out. You add the milk in slowly so that it can mix well. Then sugar. And some salt. Oh yeah, I just forget to mention, you also need a little bit of oil in the mixture. So this is English pancake. You can see that it's flat. It's more like crepes. It's not like those fluffy one like American pancakes, which is also delicious. I think I will make that video too. But this one is the one that it's like my childhood taste, the one that my mom made for me when I was small. And then you can put like much like fruits or cream, ice cream, honey or syrup. Or also, if you like to like savory taste, you can put mashed potato or bacon or salad. So you can try, and then you can let me know whether you like it or not in the comment. And thanks. I will see you next time in the next video. And if you like my video, please subscribe. Bye.